Happy Wednesday! I wanted to hop on and do an eyeshadow tutorial, and I figure since I'm wearing this burgundy shirt today, we're going to use a little bit of several of the eyeshadow trios, but mainly I'm going to use our Sunset Kiss because I really like that really shimmery burgundy color. But then there's also another burgundy type-ish color in Vintage Season, and I have my Vice Brown out just in case. I think I might use that as my transition color. So let's see. I think that's what I'm going to start with. This like medium brown color here in Vice Brown. Just going to use my fluffy brush and put that in my crease. So I just did 2 coats of that really nice medium brown in our Vice Brown palette. Let's see, how do I want to do this? I believe I'm going to use, totally didn't plan this ahead of time, I just knew I wanted to do burgundy. I think I'm going to use this burgundy color in the Sunset Kiss and do my outer, nope, let's do my lid with that. That sounds like a good idea. Let's do my lid. Because I want a ton of burgundy today. And since it's a shimmery, we're going to use that one on the lid. Oh, that's very pretty. See how pretty that is? But it's subtle. So I'm gonna pack this burgundy in on my eyelid from the Vintage, from Sunset Kiss. And just like that. Looks really good with that brown. Then I'm gonna use this pinkish burgundy kind of one from Vintage Season in my outer corner, and I may pop some more of that burgundy on top of it. Let's see what that looks like. So that's just the pink from Vintage Season, and I'm gonna make kind of a C shape out here. Go out a little bit further like I did on this side. Just kind of pat it in there and we'll blend it in. Now because I went out so far in the corners here, I always like to use one of my little eyeshadow brushes and bring that same color in and under my eye. Just to make that blend more seamlessly. Now I'm going to use, let's see, I'm going to use a different big, like, poofy brush and go back with that Sunset Kiss kind of shimmery burgundy. And I'm going to put it out here where I put that last color to kind of tie that all in really well. Still using that kind of C-shaped motion and then little circles to blend. And now I'm going to use, let's see, this kind of shimmery, I wouldn't really call it white, it's got a little bit of like a light tan color. I'm going to use that on my brow bone. Just right underneath that brow bone. It's just a really pretty highlight. Now from Sunset Kiss as well, I'm going to use this gold and I'm going to put that right in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm applying that with my finger because I really want that inner corner to pop. See how pretty that gold is? So then I'm just going to clean my fluffy brush off and blend those lines really well. I really feel like that's the key when you're using several different colors in one eye look. So just really make sure that you're blending your lines well so that you don't end up with, unless it's what you're looking for, but for me, I like to smear those lines so that I don't end up with very harsh lines in between the colors. I think what I'm going to do is use that burgundy from Sunset Kiss and also kind of come underneath my lash line here with that, just because it's such a pretty shimmer. Pretty those colors are. Alright, I'm gonna finish and I'll show you the finished look.